5 months
of the hub, and it's done.
We're done. We're done, folks.
And we're taking it on a road trip.
Yep, next week, maiden voyage. Well, this is the end of this project. I can't get us both in there.
Because I'm short.
I know you're short. I should have had you put some heels on. So 5 months later, here we are.
There she is.
We wanted to introduce the hub.
That's right, the hub quarters.
Okay, so I got to squat down here because Cherry's so short.
Sorry.
So yeah, we've got it ready to roll. This thing is ready for its maiden voyage.
I cannot wait. Go see our friends at Rock and Fire.
Alright.
Have some lunch.
Sounds like a plan.
Okay. We like Rock and Fire in Folsom.
Yes, we do. They got food there, man. That place is the bomb.
Yep. Didn't he do a great job? Oh. I love it.
Oh, well, thanks, honey. You did a great job, too.
I tried to help.
You helped a lot.
Well,
I really appreciate it. But, go ahead.
Let's tell everybody what this was all about in the first place.
Okay, so most of you already know we own a motorcycle magazine, and that's our 9-to-5 job. That's what we do day to day to make a living. So, it has two kind of separate demands. One, it demands us to be out a lot on the road, and the other, the office has a huge component of it too, that it forces us to always come back to the office.
Always are coming back to the office to put the magazine together so that we can put it out on the streets for you guys.
And while we were doing our cross-country ride earlier this year, we realized that we really wanted to be out there more. We wanted to see new things and have more adventure.
We want to see what you see and more.
So we figured if we had the hub, we could make this into a mobile office, and then we can park that someplace for a week and then explore out all around that area, wherever we're at, all new areas.
Like a wheel.
Yeah, so like spokes on a wheel. That's why we call it the hub.
Right.
So it's like spokes on a wheel. We'll take the bike out and adventure all new roads. We get new content that you guys have never seen. Not like us riding the same road. I mean, how many times can we ride Salmon Falls Road? It's a beautiful road.
Yes, it
but
is.
You guys are going to get tired of us videoing it at some point.
Like, we know where you've been.
Yeah, there they go. Up Salmon Falls Road again.
Not that there's a problem.
You guys are going to know it as good as well as we do. Yeah. But, I mean, we have some spectacular riding around here. Don't get me wrong. Folsom is a great place for riding.
Yeah.
But
we want to see some more, and we want to show you more. So
yep, that's the whole idea.
We hope you stick with us as we figure out our kinks. So, that sounded weird.
No, we're not getting kinky here. Let's back up. What Terry's trying to say is we need to work a few kinks out, and then we'll be ready to really take this thing on the road and start exploring.
Oh my God, I can't believe I said that. Thank you.
Anyway, but we will be having fun, guarantee you that.
Yeah.
Wherever we go, we're going to have a good time.
Yeah.
Whether it's kinky or not.
Stanley. Anyway, hope you enjoy our adventures, and please subscribe, tell your friends. We really appreciate it. It means a lot to us.
And come back and ride with us real soon.
Yes.
H2W.
H2W.
Hill on two wheels. Let's go for a ride.
Let's go.